You know, it really feels like we're standing at the dawn of a completely new era in space. It's this time of just breathtaking ambition, incredible discoveries, where the lines of what's possible are being redrawn almost every single day. From our own backyard in low Earth orbit all the way out to the very edge of the universe we can see, we are charting the next great chapter for humanity.
So that's the big question, right? In an age like this, where is humanity headed? This isn't just about going to new places. It's about figuring out our place in this whole cosmic picture, making sure our future is secure, and, honestly, trying to answer some of the deepest questions we've ever asked. So today, we're going to dive into how NASA's tackling this whole thing, one amazing mission at a time.
And our journey starts right above our heads, about 250 miles up, at our home away from home, the International Space Station. It's this incredible symbol of global teamwork, a lab like no other. But let's be real. It's also a place where human life exists on a constant knife's edge.
Right now, as you're watching this, there are more than 300 scientific experiments happening on the ISS. And these aren't just for kicks. This is critical research into our own health, into new materials, into biology. All of it is designed to help us live better here on Earth and to figure out how we can push even deeper into the solar system. That's the question that keeps mission control up at night. The human body just wasn't built for space, and these long missions come with some serious health risks. And this isn't just theoretical. Just recently, that risk became very real when an astronaut needed to come home early for a medical issue. It pushed our whole emergency plan to its absolute limit in, well, pretty much the most challenging environment you can imagine.
So what do? What's the protocol? Well, it's actually a pretty amazing high-tech response. First, the crew on board immediately starts diagnosing and stabilizing the patient. Then they get on a real-time call with flight surgeons back at mission control. And finally, if it's necessary, they can get that astronaut back home in just a matter of hours, riding in a SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule.
And that right there, that is a perfect example of a huge development. This ability to get someone home fast, this new safety lifeline for our astronauts, is a direct result of NASA teaming up with commercial partners like SpaceX. It's a total game changer in how we operate in space, making it safer and, frankly, more accessible than it's ever been. And it's that confidence that lets us aim even higher. So with things getting more secure in our own orbital backyard, our ambitions are pulling us out again, back to our old friend, the Moon. We are going back, and this time, the plan is to stay. Just look at this timeline for a second. It has been over 50 years since Eugene Cernan left the last human footprints on the Moon. 50 years! But after that incredible, flawless flight of the uncrewed Artemis I back in 2022, we are now looking at 2026 for Artemis II. That will be the first time humans have flown to the Moon in over half a century. It's happening. And Artemis II is so much more than just a flyby. This is the first time a crew will strap into that beast of a rocket, the SLS. It's the ultimate test drive for the Orion spacecraft's life support systems. We have to prove we can keep astronauts alive and well outside the protection of Earth's magnetic field. Literally every single goal here is a building block for putting boots back on the Moon, and from there, Mars. Okay, so while the astronauts are getting ready to venture out, our robotic explorers are already way ahead of us, pushing our vision to the very edges of space and time. We're about to open a brand new window on the universe, and honestly, what we find there could change everything we think we know. Let's break this down, because it's really cool. We've all seen those mind-blowing, super detailed pictures from the Hubble and Webb telescopes, right? Think of them like looking at the universe through a keyhole, zooming in super deep on one tiny little spot. Well, the brand new Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, that's totally different. That's the panoramic view. It can see an area of the sky 100 times bigger at once, all to tackle the two biggest mysteries out there, dark energy and planets around other stars.
And this is why Roman is such a monumental mission. This chart shows us everything the universe is made of, and the truth is just wild. Everything we can see, everything we've ever known, the stars, the planets, you, me, all of it makes up just 5%. The other 95% is this complete mystery of dark matter and dark energy. Roman's #1 job is to go hunting for answers in all that darkness.
But you know, sometimes we don't even have to go looking for the cosmos. Sometimes the cosmos sends messengers to us, carrying secrets from star systems that are light years away. Let's be super clear about what this means. An interstellar object is not just another space rock. This is a piece of another solar system. It's a visitor,
born around a completely different star that has traveled through the empty void for millions, maybe even billions of years, before taking a brief tour through our neighborhood. And in one of those absolutely remarkable scientific moments, NASA's Parker Solar Probe, a mission that's supposed to be studying our sun, had this incredible chance encounter. It got a direct look at an interstellar comet called 3I/Atlas as it swung through our solar system. This was totally unexpected and an unbelievably valuable opportunity.
This quote just nails it. By actually studying what these visitors are made of and how they behave, we get a direct sample of the stuff that's building planets in totally different star systems. It's like a piece of cosmic archaeology delivered right to our doorstep.
So when you step back and look at all of this, learning how to keep ourselves safe right here in orbit, reaching back to the moon, peering into the cosmic dark, and even studying visitors from other stars, you start to see they're not separate things. They are all pieces of one single, unified quest, driven by that curiosity that we all share.
So what's it going to be? What's the big discovery that will define our generation? Will it be finding signs of life on another world? Or finally understanding the dark energy that's pushing our universe apart? Or maybe it's setting up a permanent human outpost on the moon. We don't know the answer yet, but the search is what defines us. The next giant leap is already happening.